Immerse yourself in the rich flavors and vibrant culture of St. Maarten on this flavorful, multi-stop cultural journey. From sipping handcrafted tropical rums to exploring colonial cities and plane watching on a world-famous beach, this tour delivers the perfect blend of taste, history, and scenic wonder. Begin your journey with a guided visit to a local rum distillery, where the art of Caribbean rum making comes to life. Next, explore the historic seaside town of Marigot, the heart of French St. Maarten, admire colorful Creole architecture, bustling cafes, and waterfront markets. If you wish, climb to historic Fort Louis. Cap off your adventure at the world-renowned Maho Beach, next to Sunset Refuge Bar. Feel the rush as possible planes soar just overhead on their dramatic landings at Princess Juliana Airport. Snap thrilling photos of low-flying aircrafts. Rum factory tour and tasting. French Marigot capital exploration / Maho if borders is closed. Dutch sunset / refuge stop.